अरे वहां से बोल रहे सर। ये हाथ सीधा करिए इसको में सीधा करिए, सीधा करिए, सीधा करिए, करिए तो करिए, सीधा करिए। बोलिए हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सर बोल रहे हैं हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज व्यास मौर्य। टुडे आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर। टुडे I'm standing here. My name is Vyas. I'm going to talk about journalism in India. Do you know what is journalism? Do you know what is journalism? वहां से तो नहीं कांप रहा था, जैसे इधर हुआ कांपना शुरू हो गया। फिर से पूछिए सर। वहां से बोल रहे नहीं, यहीं से बोलना। यस, हाँ। चलिए अब बोलिए सर, बोलिए, उधर मत देखिए, कंटिन्यू। जैसे बोलना है, हाँ बोलिए। जय हिंद एवरीवन, माय नेम इज व्यास मौर्य। यस, आई एम फ्रॉम सुल्तानपुर। थैंक्स फॉर, इससे बातें करिए, हाँ इस पौधे से बात करिए। Thanks for Mr. Rasi sir giving me golden opportunity. Today topic is journalism in India. Very nice. Journalism means collecting information and verifying information and presenting to the society. And yes, journalist is a bridge between people and truth. And journalist means they have many work like expose the crime and अरे सर बोल रहे हैं। चलिए ठीक है, प्लीज बोलिए। यस, हाँ कंटिन्यू। Yes, expose the crime and verifying the crime. Yes, and show the reality of our country and represent our country and talk about our Indian people and talk about crime. So this is the power of me. This is the power of media. And like soldier protect the country. And like उसी का Indian media expose the crime and verifying the crime the front of society. Very nice. And there are many type of media like digital media, TV there are many type of journalists like TV journalist, digital journalist and sport journalist, political journalist. And they have the yes, continue. Yes, there are the sir, continue. And फिर से बोलिए, फिर से स्टार्टिंग से ग्रीटिंग रखिए। यस, जय हिंद एवरीवन, माय नेम इज व्यास मौर्य। यस, I am from Sultanpur. Yes, thanks for Mr. Rasi sir giving me golden opportunity. Today topic is journalist in India. Yes, journalist means collecting the information and verifying the information. Very nice. And verifying the information and present to the society. Journalist is a bridge between people and truth. Very nice. Yes. And journalist have a major work like expose the criminal, expose the criminal and verifying the truth and present our country and show the reality our Indian people. And they are like a soldier
Yes, yes.
like soldier protect the country. से मतलब कि similarly journalist expose the crime and verifying the crime, so the reality different of people inside the country.
फिर से ये चीज बोलिए, फिर से ग्रीटिंग रख के बोलिए। आपकी आंखें जहां मैं किया हूं फेस होनी चाहिए। आगे नहीं बढ़ना, चलिए ये खड़े रहिए। हाँ ये खड़े रहिए सीधा। यस कंटिन्यू। ग्रीटिंग रखिए हाथ खोल के पूरा। यस
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Jas Maurya. I am from Sultanpur. Thanks for Mr. Rasi sir giving me golden opportunity.
Yes, yes.
Giving me golden opportunity. And today topic is journalism in India.
Yes.
Journalism means collecting the information, verifying the information, and present the information to society. And journalist is the bridge between people and truth.
Yes.
There are many major work of a journalist, like expose the criminal rating and so the reality of our country and
Yes, yes, yes. हाँ continue, continue.
so the reality of our country and
धीरे आंखें खोलिए। यस
sir,
यस
and many more things they expose
आई कांटेक्ट।
they expose to the society. And
अब
there
आप
are
ऐसे करिए। अब बोलिए बोलिए बोलते रहिए। यस बोलते रहिए।
and there are many types of journalists, like TV journalist, digital journalist, and sports journalist, political journalist, and
yes.
some famous journalist like sir name नहीं याद आ रहा, भूल गया।
I don't know the name.
I don't know the name. She is a brave lady. She is reporting war time. In 1999 Kargil war, during the Kargil war, continue the war, and she is reporting bravely. So this show the his courageousness and his courageousness and his braveness. And second one is Palki Sharma. Everyone knows she is known for
eye contact.